English shorthand dictation with 80 speed start. The mainstream development paradigm has aggravated discontent among Adivasi communities. Full stop. The reasons are not difficult to recognize. It encourages the size of native resources, drives competition, is surplus driven, instills private ownership, and consequently is affecting the cultural identity of Adivasi people. Full stop. Adivasi thought leaders believe that the root causes for the failures of development lie in a failure to understand their worldview and the continued imposition of the dominant development paradigm is significantly affecting the of well-being of Adivasi people. Full stop. The process of pushing Adivasi communities from their traditional homelands to distant frontiers is not new. Full stop. Historical research shows that the eviction of Adivasi people is an age-old process. Full stop. Their geographical history has been one of incessant displacement and relocation, often with the use of force and violence deeper and deeper into inhospitable terrain. Full stop. Data shows that the proportion of rural Adivasi households that do not own any land increased from 16% of all Adivasi households in 1987 and 88 to 24% in 2011-12. Full stop. When it comes to forest land, the usage and access of resources by Adivasi peoples has been considered to be encouragement by the government. Full stop. In 2006, the Scheduled Tribes and Other Traditional Forest Dwellers Act (PARA) tried to amend this by recognizing the customary rights of forest dwellers, including the right over commons areas as well as the right to manage and sell forest produce. Full stop. However, implementation of this Forest Rights Act has been unsuccessful with inadequate community awareness, conflicting legislations, lack of dedicated structural implementation, administrative roadblocks, and government deficit. Full stop. The forest bureaucracy, reluctant to give up control, has misinterpreted the FRA as an instrument to regularize encouragement. Full stop. This can be seen in its emphasis to recognize individual claims while ignoring collective claims. Full stop. To add to this, the Ministry of Environment, Forests and Climate Change has reportedly been pushing for a new set of rules that would dilute the FRA and limit the power of local governing bodies like Gram Sabhas, despite objections raised by the Ministry of Tribal Affairs. Full stop. Local governance structures and systems where decision making starts at the smallest unit of human settlement, in which every individual has the right, capacity, and opportunity to take part, must be kept alive. Full stop. Communities should mobilize to file their community forest rights claims under the FRA and facilitate community-led regeneration and conservation of natural biodiverse forests. Full stop. While Adivasi parents do feel that education and literacy are important, sending children. Full stop.